So I temporarily have the new EG4 6500EX hooked up. The panel is being utilized for its output, which right now only has the laundry room outlets and the refrigerator hooked up to it. The top battery is the only battery hooked up right now. Again, just temporary, so that I can start moving the loads over to the 6500, and then I'll be able to clean up all this pre-existing 12-volt setup and mount the new second 6500EX in this spot. And then when I'm ready to go, I can then transition the loads off of this unit to the one that'll be mounted on the wall, and then mount the second unit on the wall and hook it up for split phase going into this panel. Then the plan is to be able to take an output from this panel and go and take over my main panel that has probably 95% of my 120 volt loads. Plus it also has my electric range on it. We'll see if that stays or if that has to get moved to my secondary sub panel with the remainder of my 240 loads. So moving on from a 12 volt to a 48 volt. Getting excited. Lots to do still though. Lots of planning, lots of layout. We'll see how long it takes, because I don't like the mess.